Hey you, put down that Diet Dr. Pepper. That's my favorite. Get to drinking your water. We got 64 ounces of water to drink. Last night I completed my 10,000 steps. I'm so happy. I actually went over. I didn't look at my Fitbit until I had already gone over 10,000, and it was pretty late by the time I got done, but I'm so happy that I did my 10,000 steps. I'm going to try to get that today and get all my water in and get to drinking. Hello world, it's Carla, and I'm taking you through my day and showing you how I lost 100 pounds, and you can too, without giving up the foods you love or turning your whole life upside down. You may notice that I mention drinking water all the time. This is because it helps you lose weight and keeps you feeling energized. It really is one of the easiest things you can do to crush your goals. So now I'm going to show you my outfit of the day. I just love fashion. And so one thing I thought of that I wanted to tell you that makes your life so much easier, or it makes mine, so I'm going to tell you to lay out your clothes the night before. That way you don't even have to think about it if you're going to the gym or if you're going to do a workout or just getting your water bottle ready. You just throw on your clothes. It's already laid out and it's a no-brainer. You don't even have to think about it. So this outfit I laid out the night before and I just put it on, made my water, and now I'm ready for the day. So keep drinking. This way you're already starting your day off organized and not scrambling through your closets like a hot mess. I mean, who needs that stress, right? Okay, now that we're dressed for the day, we are headed to Del Taco. And of course, I got me some more fresh ice for my water. And for breakfast, I'm going to show you how you can still eat out and eat fast foods and still enjoy the foods that you love. And show you how to make choices that can keep you on track. I got this cheese, eggs, and avocado packed with protein and good fats. Plus, it was cheaper than my husband's meal. But don't tell him I said that. I'm just kidding. He already knows. So I'm telling you this just so you know that you don't have to break the bank to make better choices. Next, I'm going to bring you with me on my errands. How fun is that? Just out here living the life. But anyways, I wanted to show you how bougie our Del Taco is and this beautiful aquarium, just for the fun of it. I hope you enjoy. So now for errands, car wash, a quick getting our hair done, getting some gas, and a quick stop at the market. I'm just a multitasking machine today. So keep drinking your water and keep getting your steps in, and let the truth sink in that you are amazing and you're just going to keep on getting better and better. We had to buy some dog food for our Luna and buying what I need for a healthy week. Because you know your girl doesn't want no bland food, okay? And Luna, our dog, our pup, has to have her special dog food, and luckily we got the last bag that they had at the store. Because you know Luna's on her own glow up health journey too. Now you guys, I have been so obsessed with this tea. It has hibiscus that is packed with antioxidants that helps lower your blood pressure and reduces inflammation. And it's loaded with vitamin C, so it's really good for your immune system. And it also tastes amazing. Plus, this tea has dandelion, elderberry, and cinnamon, all packed with great health benefits. Here is the ingredients if you want to see what it has. To wrap up my day, I spent the evening reading a book about how to be bulletproof both mentally and physically. It is about being strong in your mind as well as in your body. I'm about halfway through and it's already changing my mindset. So if you haven't done it yet, lay out your clothes for tomorrow. Plan your meals and get some sleep. You deserve it. This is it for today. Tomorrow will be so much better if you prep for today. So go get your stuff ready and let's crush this week. Thank you for being here and having fun with me and for showing up for yourself. So let's continue glowing up together. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.